Wala nga bang matinding drama ang buhay ni Joey De Leon? Kung mayroon man, lampas na ang lahat ng iyon. Gaya ng nakita natin nitong nakaraang ilang taon, ang lalaking galing sa wala ay madaling maantig ng damdamin.
Dad!
Teka, naiiyak ako eh.
Dad! Dad! Dad!
Okay, bakit?
Ano ka ba? Ay, wait,
nagulat lang ako.
remember mo yung card? You know, the card that you sent me on my birthday? Oy! Anyway, sabi mo doon na parang yung wish mo sa akin, sana magkasama pa tayong family ng matagal. Remember that? So, sa birthday mo, yun din yung wish ko. Parang, pero sa akin, iba. Sana mas matagal pa talaga.
Da, happy birthday. First of all, thank you for everything that you've done for us. Thank you for being there for us no matter what. And for working hard to give us a wonderful life. Alam mo naman na idol kita. Dahil ikaw ay isang napakahusay na manunulat, artista, komedyante. Pero higit sa lahat, ikaw ay isang napakahusay na ama. At napakabait pa. And this is why I'm so proud to have a father like you. Ate and I miss you so much, Da. We love you.
Dad, wish for his continued happiness, good health, and safety. Happy birthday,
Good
Dad.
health,
I love
happiness.
you.
Sana magkita kami like, soon.
Aha.
Dalaw siya.
Ah,
Layo niyan eh.
dalaw ka
Yeah.
daw.
Oo, pupunta ako dyan. Sige.
Miss ka na namin, Da eh.
Wala talaga. Wala as in wala talagang makakatulad kay Inday Badiday. Siya lang ang nag-iisang Inday Badiday at yung kalahat Inday. First, the original, the best.